massive.
It is massive.
Gosh.
And it's the surf.
This is still more of a bench. I don't know how to get into that. Oh, there you go. Toilet.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. These cobalts are nice.
Ditch the toilet. I would just want that for storage.
Look at that cockpit.
Look at the. Oh, is it tinted? No, those are pretty clear.
Yeah, that's insane.
This is great.
Oh, man.
Yeah, if you want to wake surf, they can get like this is the biggest.
That's a lot of storage space. Definitely soft. Oh, all the buckets are storage.
Wow. That's insane.
Steam vent stuff. Yeah.
Ah, that's cool.
No, I mean, our Google.
I like that color.
My family.
Yeah.
Those are tinted. The windows. Have we seen any of these out on Chapel?
Cobalts, yeah, just not new ones.
Oh.
Hi there.
I do find it appropriate once it is purchased for them to block it off.
Oh, I know. You would think.
I mean, there's some, like those ones, there was 2 already sold, so they blocked it off, but I've seen other ones that have sold that they still allow people to get on. If I was buying one here, I understood, like, but I would be like, you're gonna block this off. No one else can come on this boat.
Well, then they can't sell it. Any others. You know?
How is that? Tell me,
Those black. I don't know. Look at the way those open. That's insane. That is one ugly boat.
I know. It's their 50th anniversary.
Ugh,
That is disgusting.
it's a cool boat though. It's a nice trailer. I know. Yeah, especially if you get weight in there. If you had weight.
That's a
You still like the sparkles?
Oh, yeah. Just party galooza.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit in here like it's mine. That's pretty. The interior.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
that is nice.
gorgeous interior. Look at that.
It looks like a
helm.
rear camera.
Yep. I saw that on the Malibu. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They have one back there too. I just don't think I could ever run something without paddle shifters. But I got really good at the end of the summer using the stick. I do like this. Did you hear what she said? She goes, I do really like the sparkles.
I couldn't hear you. What?
She said, I really do like the sparkles.
Oh,
When we were just saying how sparkles were. That is so open. Look at that.
yeah, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, those cockpits are really intense.
I do like how our bow is like double that.
Yeah.
I love how big. I mean, hi there. How are you?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Thanks.
Did you guys just get in, or
No, we've been in for a bit.
made it
Yeah.
around a little bit?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. You all have a boat now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you have?
Yamaha.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
23.
Okay. Cool.
So-
Yeah.
Yeah, good beginner boat for wake surfing.
Yeah. You've been doing a little surfing behind it.
Yeah.
Does it have their surf system on it?
Yeah, it's the
Okay.
XD.
Yep,
Yeah.
for sure. Like the
So-
22 foot, 23 foot. You said
22, yeah.
232 or whatever they call it.
Yeah, 222.
222.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Look, definitely a good beginner boat for that, but
Are you thinking about something for
Yeah,
more wake surf oriented, or
actually,
Okay.
yeah, we were looking at the KYMA, but they're not here today. So
the KYMA?
it's another jet boat, but uses the Raptor engine,
Okay,
so it's
okay.
a lot. That's what we're really looking at, but
Okay.
we're still looking
I
at
can't say
others.
it's a boat I'm familiar with. It. You know, it's not a boat I've seen much.
No,
So-
not very many people have.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they just launched 2 years ago.
Okay.
Down south.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Kind of making their way around then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another jet boat.
Yeah. Obviously, you like your jet boat. It sounds like.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, we haven't really even been in anything else.
Okay.
So-
do you know much about? Well, we're obviously looking at Supremes now, but we've got our Centurions. So they're sister companies. Centurion will be more of our like premium brand, and then Supreme will be our value brand, right?
Okay.
So still great surf boats. Just you're able to save quite a bit of money on something like this over some of our Centurions. So
Gotcha.
Okay.
yeah. One of the features we're kind of known for more than anything is our hull design. So we run a little bit deeper V hull than all of the other wake boats that you're going to see in here. It's going to equate to a little bit better rough water ride. A rough water ride probably a little bit more similar to your Yamaha,
Yeah.
right? You have that deeper V, it's run all the way to the back of the boat. Most of these other wake boats really flatten off at the back of the boat. So I'm not sure where you guys boat, but
Usually Glendo or
Okay.
Sheffield. So.
okay, cool. Yeah, so both lakes, when it's nice, it's great, but both lakes have the potential
Oh, yeah.
for getting a little
Shock
rough.
you off, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So, having that nice rough water ride really makes, the day more enjoyable for everybody.
For sure.
You get out on some of these wake boats and you can just take those bone jarring hits. Our boats really don't do that, which is really nice.
That's all because of the way the hull
The
is.
whole design. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So that is kind of our hallmark feature. Centurion has put a lot of time and effort into their hull design. There are other manufacturers that are running 20-year-old hull designs out here still. So also equates to a more efficient boat as far as fuel efficiency, both while underway and while surfing. we don't need to run superchargers in really very many of our boats at all. The only boat I have with the supercharger is going to be my 26.5 footer over there. So very efficient hull design, equates to more efficient use of fuel, and then the need to be able to, or you don't have the need to run those bigger motors, which is really nice.
What size of the ballast? How much weight do they hold?
Yeah, so in the 22-foot boat, we're a little over 4,000.
Okay.
And in the 24-foot boat, we're just over 4,500.
Wow.
Yep. And there is an option for a little bit more ballast in the bow. We typically don't do that in our Supremes, just because it's a ballast that we only recommend people fill in when they got a lot of weight in the back of the boat. And most people, I would say, don't need that extra ballast, so you are able to save a little bit of money by not adding that. So
They're nice boats.
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen a few of them.
yeah, and obviously, you guys bought your Yamaha Tri-City?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So that's kind of a whole bum deal.
Yeah,
So,
we've done all of our business with them.
yeah.
So
And
it's harsh.
They were good guys. I think I don't know exactly what happened, but it kind of sucks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we had very close relationships
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
all of them, so it was hard.
Yeah, and we've had a lot of customers who have traded in Yamahas, starter, surf boats, or even, more of their cruising boats to get into some of our surf boats, and it seems like everybody had really good things to say about them.
Yeah,
So,
that's good.
yeah.
And what was your name?
My name's Andy.
Andy, Cody. Thank
Cody,
you.
great
Yeah.
to meet you.
Taylor. Yeah.
Taylor,
Nice
nice to
meeting
meet you. Yeah, so depending on, your buying horizon, all that sort of thing, we'd love to get you out on one of our boats if we ever can. I think if you are looking for something a little bit more tailored towards surfing, going with, a V drive is gonna, I'm not real familiar with your boat, so I can't say much about that other boat you're
Yeah.
looking at. I can't say much about it, but I would say, our boats are gonna definitely outperform some of the surf jet boats on the market.
Oh, for
You
sure.
know what I mean?
Yeah, you
Nothing
can't-
against them. I think they're
Yeah.
great, versatile boats, and I think they really have their own niche. But
For
if
sure.
you're really looking to get into surfing, I'm not the smallest guy. I'm gonna have a pretty hard time surfing some of those waves.
Yeah, they are. I know jet boat, it is a pain in the
Yeah.
ass.
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let me give you my card, guys,
Yeah.
and then if you guys ever need anything, don't hesitate to reach out.
And where are you guys at?
We're in Fort Collins.
Oh, you
So
guys
we
have the
are-
island.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, we're literally right up the road from Tri-City.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
yeah.
obviously, if you bought at Chatfield, are you guys down here?
No, we live in Denver. Yeah.
Yes.
So Littleton. So.
Yep.
Yeah.
So Chatfield, kind of when it's close, and then if you want to go a little bit further, you venture up to Glendale.
Yep.
Okay.
Glendo's just so
Yeah.
big and open.
Yeah,
I mean, that
get
parking
away
lot
from-
can be full, and then we get on the water and we're like, no one's here.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yep.
You guys
But-
have the island that has the floating dock.
Yeah, and
where
the
they do
little
bands
trampolines and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, that's us.
Yeah, I went to the hospital. We had a party there.
Oh, okay, cool.
Years ago.
Yeah, I hear that a lot, though. I hear that a lot,
Yeah.
So, but
Right
if
on.
you ever do want to come by the dealership and check out boats, we are actually going to be doing demos this next week on some of our wake boats. We've
Oh,
got
wow.
a private lake in Longmont that we can do demos on, so that's always an option too.
Cool.
I don't know that you necessarily want to get in the water, but we can go out there, throw some waves. If you want to surf, you can.
Right on.
Put the wetsuit on. I'm
thanks.
always down
you
for a
might be
good
in dry
time.
suit at this time of year. It's cold.
Thank you.
Yeah, great to
Thanks,
meet you
Andy.
guys. Yeah.
So that would be probably the most comparable to the Yamaha.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, aside from it not being a jet.
Yeah.
I do see what he's talking about, the design. How
Yeah.
It's a lot
It's very similar
more
to the
like
Yamaha.
I didn't know. I mean, I knew design definitely took a play into it, but I guess I didn't know, like, along with waves, how, like, Tige and Malibu, because they do sit so low, anything like that, you're getting, not
Oh.
capsized, but
Yeah.
breached in. Where with these, it
A lot
takes the
easier to
edge
cut
off.
through choppy water.
I'm learning so much today, and I am loving it.
Yep. Are you talking about the 245? Any of them, like that boat. This has
Magma.
it has interstate AGMs.
It's a itty bitty guy.
Yeah, 27 series. Okay. Yeah.
Put half of our carnes.
And they were talking about getting the kids are putting them back anyway, so maybe.
Okay, look at that bench that folds. Oh, I need a napkin. I'm drooling.
Yeah.
Freaking Yamaha.
I really wish KYMA would have been here.
Who?
The KYMA boat.
I know. They got a bar.
Oh shit.
I'm just gonna look.
Oh yeah.
They don't have fins on them. Kim, look at this one.
I like that. What about you guys? That's right. Okay. Let me grab. So you might order more.
What?
They were fun.
Yeah, those were a fun one.
We definitely have to real quick, didn't we?
Yeah.
We didn't have such a big deck, did we?
Yeah.
We did, I guess.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I
Yeah.
like the periwinkle. Sold. Yeah, they were a blast. Should we gander the 22 quiche?
Yeah.
Ah. Are you recording on this one?
Yeah. Boy.
I like this interior here. God, this would be good for, would a cooler fit in there?
Small one. Wow. That cockpit.
You gotta be itty bitty boy to fit in there. Huh?
This was all new this year, so
It is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful.
I only picked one of the colors on everybody else. I picked the blue.
I like
the
it.
Interior is just sublime.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a new color too this year. It's called espresso. We really like it. It's super happy with it.
It is so pretty.
It's all cool feel too, so it doesn't get too hot. Yeah, we got two of these this year. So this one's like the fully loaded. You know, it's got the crazy solid shade bimini. It's got the thruster. It's got the bigger stereo. And then we've got one in the back there. It's kind of a little more watered down, just to kind of meet a better price point. So
Yeah. What's the price point on this one?
this one's $2,099.
And then that
The
one?
one in there's $194. Huh? Okay. Do you guys have a boat currently, or just
Yeah.
what do you have?
A 2023, the 222 XT from Yamaha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Good beginner
Yeah.
for surfing.
It's a great boat to get you into the sport. Kind
Yeah.
of get your feet wet and see if you really like it, and then
And we
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah, we love it.
well, then the more you get into it, it's like, man, I kind of want a bigger wave. I want something longer.
Yeah.
Those Yamahas are great boats, but that jet drive really kind of messes with the wave a lot.
Yeah.
It kind of hurts your push. It just doesn't aid for good surfing.
Yeah. They just tried to create a boat that was,
It'll do it all.
yeah. Yeah.
And it's done good.
Yeah, it's done
It
great.
has.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
great boats.
Definitely get you on the water and have fun, but
Yeah.
we're in that time frame, we're like, we might get something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's
Oh,
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Honestly, in the last year or two, I think we've taken like 3 or 4 of those in on trade. Just the same thing, we got it because we wanted to get on the lake and try it out.
Yeah.
We liked it, it was fun, and now we realized that all we do is really surf, so we want to get something that's really geared to just surf.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure out if I mean, for us to buy just a surf boat,
Yeah.
you know, spend that extra money, we want to make sure we're surfing fucking all the time. You know, then it would make more sense.
Well, I don't know how those boats work, but these make it super easy to surf. Like it's everything on the screen for Taiga is one touch away. So like, you know, if you want to go surfing with your family, you click go, you click surf. You know, there's options for surf, ski, foil.
Yeah.
You click go, you click surf, it automatically fills the ballast, sets up the surf system to go already. So, you know, you wait for the ballast to fill, you spank the throttle, it's already, cruise is set to what it's supposed to be at, everything's already done. You
Nice.
can change your steepness of your wave really quick and easy, it's super easy.
Yeah.
I remember growing up and surfing, having to get
Yeah,
underneath, get the
put the thing
attachment
on.
on, right or left, shoot which side.
Yep. You're leaning over the boat, like trying to put it on.
It's so much
And then you're
easier.
surfing and the wave disappears and you can see the things go flying behind you. Yep.
And that's a little cost that you gotta freaking,
Yeah.
it's insane.
And I know the new boats are so easy. I have a 2008 Taiga.
Nice.
Yeah.
And like, I'm on a private lake with all of my coworkers and it's hilarious because if it's just me and my wife there, it's like, all right, we'll go out on the boat. Like, you know, we'll each do one pull and then we'll just sit and hang out. And like, if anyone else is there, like, you guys want to go on our boat? Like, no, dude, there's too many steps. Get on our boat. All right, sounds good. So our boat has like 230 hours on it.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Dang.
Yeah, they've got a surf locker at the back too, so like you can fit
Oh,
4 skim style boards or 3 surf style boards back here.
look at that.
That's nice.
4 surf pockets on the top of the bimini. So this is awesome too, because you know when you have people that are kind of newer on the boat, they don't really know the etiquette of your boat. They're standing on the platform, they pull the board out, they go surfing. They put the board in the back. They're not dripping water all through the boat,
That
getting
is
everybody
nice.
wet. So
That is great.
Yeah, that's great.
I
That's
love
a great.
that.
Yeah.
I will always throw my board back here, and then I throw my life jacket back here too, because it just drains down into the bilge, so it can stay back here and dry off. And
Yeah.
you're not dripping water all over everyone. Just put it over their heads on a rack.
Yeah.
You know, it's all back here. It's clean. It's
Oh my
out of the way.
gosh. I
Wow.
like that feature.
Yeah.
I love
That is cool.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, we're tying in ATX, so we're on PX.
Okay.
ATX is also the same brand as Taiga. That's just our more affordable line, right?
Okay.
So we used to have a model of Taiga that was more affordable, and we just decided to separate it and make it a whole other brand. But the ATX runs down the same assembly line, so it's the same hands working on it. It's all the same components, right? Same engine, same drivetrain, same warranty, same stereo. It's just a little bit dulled down. So it doesn't have the fancy stitching. They don't have the surf lockers on the ATXs, but you're still getting reversible seats. You still get a power tower. You still get the same surf system, same screens, just smaller. So just a
Interesting.
little bit more of a price point product.
You know, we're starting to learn that most of these are exactly like that. They got the high end and then the lower end. That's cool. We
It's
didn't know
just
that.
the interior that's
Yeah.
different.
Yeah. Well, you know, most people, they start out something like what you guys
Yeah.
have or something like what I have. They fall in love with it. They want a new boat, but they don't want to spend $200,000. But they want the surf system. They want the stereo. They want a wave. They want a good stereo. So that's kind of what ATX is for us. It's a great wave, good stereo, great quality boat. But, you know, a 24-foot ATX is $155,000. A 24-foot Taiga is $250,000. You know, so you're saving $100,000
Wow.
and getting the same performance.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, if you guys have any questions,
Right on. What was your name?
Jared.
Jared. Cody. Thank
Good
you.
to meet you,
Nice to meet you.
Taylor.
Good to meet you guys, yeah. Yeah, we've got a couple ATXs that are kind of in the back that are 2025 models, so a couple
Wow.
2025s, a couple used boats, and then all of our brand new Taigas and 2026s are on this side of the dock.
Okay.
2026 ATXs are on this side of the dock.
Okay.
Michael, our sales manager, has a 24-foot like this one, and we'll cram like 19 people, 3 dogs. We're all comfortable. The wave's huge. Probably one of my favorite boats.
Wow.
And you can be probably. I surf this one.
Wow. Really?
I'm a pretty big heavy guy, like 260 pounds. And that far back, I've still got enough push to come down, do really big bottom turns, and like you
Wow.
can make the wave mellower. So it's, you know, it can be this tall. We were surfing one time. I was like, Michael, make it as big as you can. I just want to see what it's like because I'm newer to this brand. I was like, okay. And it was so steep. I was like, turn it back down. I can't. Like I can't.
That's cool. Yeah. You know, ours we can't. I mean, it throws away, but it's not great at all.
Yeah,
You know?
those boats, you know, it's, you're very close to the platform.
Yep.
Sometimes the board's over the platform. It's kind of scary.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
People learn a little better when they have full green, you know?
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Right on. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
Appreciate it.
Follow me.
Now this I like.
Oh, that's a full lift.
Thank you. Play.
Okay, so they know how to do
Do what?
storage.
Oh yeah, look at all
how
that.
deep that is. That's real deep.
That is deep.
Casey would have hiding spots for days.
Look at that. Look at that helm.
Yeah, look at that pocket. I mean, clearly you'd go here and here because of the. That's deep.
Which one is this?
This is the ATX.
Wow. Yeah.
I'm noticing though, if you want a bucket seats, then your bow's not going to be as big. But then you do have your deck that's super flat, which is nice.
Yeah. And their Biminis are way better than ours.
Our boat was 80, 90.
90,000.
These are 140.
Yeah, double the price on them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, I wouldn't need a big bow if I had flat back. I do like this color.
Yeah, I do too.
Beautiful. I'm gonna use the restroom.
All right.
We are that. Too much traffic. It's Tyga. I've been saying Tige.
Oh, that's what it is, Tyga.
Yeah, he was saying Tyga. I want to hop in there in a second.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. Wow.
Really just likes she like you think Gigi likes
Thank you.
Thank you. 22. What'd you find there?
A hole.
Oh yeah.
Crap.
That's sick. Yeah, that's insane.
That's a lot of storage space.
Look at this.
How are you guys doing?
Doing well, how are you?
Doing well, thanks.
It's a good looking boat.
It's very cool little camera.
Yeah. Man.
Any questions I can answer for you? No? Two seats or a table or one seating table or
Holy moly.
That's cool.
That is nice.
Because what's this boat go for?
$459.
Yeah,
She's a looker.
definitely. Wow. Now this I like.
Oh, that's a full lift. Okay, so they know how to do
Do what?
storage.
Oh yeah,
Look
look at
how
all that.
deep that is. That's real deep.
That is deep.
Casey would have hiding spots for days.
Look at that. Look at that,
Oh
Helen.
yeah, look at that pocket. I mean, clearly you'd go here and here because of the... That's deep.
Which one is this?
This is the ATX.
Ah, yeah.
I've noticed